Some of the most destructive fires we've had in California and San Diego have occurred in the months of October, so CAL FIRE crews are on high alert for a moderate Santa Ana this weekend, with possible winds up to 50 miles per hour for the inland valleys, even stronger gusts in the mountain and desert areas.
We're going to be staffing up all of our frontline engines, all of our reserve apparatus, bringing on additional crew, also additional personnel throughout the unit.
CAL FIRE Captain Kendall Bordeser says that means the 3-day, 72-hour normal work week will be extended based on the needs of the unit. And with the partial government shutdown, they'll also be available to assist with any troubles in the Cleveland National Forest.
So in the event of any kind of fire, we're going to be working closely together, coming together, to do what we need to do to mitigate the situation, get the fire put out.
He says it's peak wildfire season and drought conditions have created plenty of fuel to fan the flames.
We've had reduced rainfall throughout Southern California this year. We're in tinder dry conditions, and we're certainly on high alert here in San Diego.